This time, I went out for a simple walk in nature. But the cows and horses by the river quickly changed my plans. I became so interested in watching them that I almost forgot I had come here to walk. One moment especially caught my attention. I saw a little calf drinking milk from its mother. And surprisingly, I realized I had never really stopped to watch this before. Sometimes, we see simple things so often that we forget how beautiful they are. Then came the cows' long, serious looks. They would simply stand there and watch me. I watched them, and they watched me back. It almost felt like we were having a very serious conversation without saying a word. Cows are social animals, and they use their eyes and body language to communicate. The more I watched them, the more I felt that cows are truly respectable animals. They seem calm, patient, and never in a hurry. And the horses had something different, a quiet dignity. Even when they simply walk or graze, there is something graceful about them. I only wish that every horse living around people could have enough freedom, movement, and companionship. I came here for a walk, but I ended up spending almost an hour watching these animals. Maybe this is what makes nature so beautiful. Nothing extraordinary has to happen. Sometimes, a quiet river, a calf beside its mother, a curious cow, and a few graceful horses are enough. I hope these peaceful moments bring you a little peace too.